Good morning, Bourbon! So, sayo minanggikan sa Liloan, going to Bourbon. So, we are already here in our town. Okay, good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Sunday, Elmar, Bitch Research. Happy Sunday, everyone. Welcome back to my channel na walang ka-channel channel. For today's video, guys, ang Manatad family nga naabot na po sa Bourbon. Happy birthday to this girl. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. So thank you Sano for driving us safe.
1 minute ra, another one.
So see you in a bit, Ati. We're coming. So mani siya ang among dan padulong sa Bourbon. So gamay ra siya nga dalan nga atong pag-aagian. Okay?